How to fix audio not downloading problem in WhatsApp. If WhatsApp voice message or audio files are not downloaded, then try these solutions one by one. So first one is to check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner and make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. If you want, then you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Once done so, go back to the home screen and tap on the settings app available in there. WhatsApp won't download audio if your phone storage is full, so make sure to check storage space. There, tap on the general, then tap on the iPhone storage, and if you see that your space has been full, then free up some space. Once you do so, and still it does not work, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the WhatsApp and check that if WhatsApp server status is down or not. Sometimes WhatsApp is down, and if WhatsApp is not down, then all you have to do is go to the home screen, then look for the App Store and simply tap on the App Store and search for the WhatsApp app in there. There you might see update option available. Tap on the update and update it to the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.